Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Harman Kardon headphones with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to remember to charge them at least for like 20 minutes by using this micro USB port. And in the next step, you have to find the right headphone and use this sliding button. So move it like that. As you can see, this indicator turns on, it starts blinking. So right now we have to rotate a little bit, find the Bluetooth button and click on it once. Then take a look for this indicator. As you can see, it is blinking quickly, so it means that we successfully activate the pairing mode. So right now, just go to the system settings. Then go to the Bluetooth. As you can see, it's located on the left side between the Wi-Fi and the network. Turn on Bluetooth by tapping right here and then take a look for the nearby devices. Select your headphones by tapping on this connect button. And right now you have to go for the sound settings and take a look for the output and the input device. And simply select them from the list. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.